Hi, today we're talking about class registration form. This is a simple form which you can expose to students. You can fill in this form to schedule for their classes. So in this form, we have got a few fields like the first name, middle name, last name, the gender, student ID, and other information. We also got a section where they can select the particular classes that they're interested in. This can obviously be customized and suited for your own needs from your own end. So let's quickly fill out this form and understand how it will work. Before that, if you go to the responses view, you can see you can capture all the form details over here once it is filled in. So I'll go to the form builder, I'll click on share form, I'll click on copy form link, and this is the link that you want to expose to the students who are looking to register for any particular classes. So I'll go to this window, I'll fill in some of the details over here, and I will schedule the particular information that I want. So I'm just quickly filling in all the details that are relevant. So as you can see, I have filled out some of the details over here, and I'm going to quickly click on submit. As I do that, the response will get submitted, and if you go back to this responses view, you can see the information getting captured over here. So this is how you can use this particular form to get all the responses from the students and expose the particular form link to the students to get the information. Besides this, I have also added a new tool, PDFOutput, which helps you generate PDF documents in bulk. It utilizes Google Document as a source of template file, and it works with Google Sheet as well as Notion database, which acts as a source of the information. If you're looking to generate bulk invoice documents or any other documents as per your business needs, you can definitely take help of this tool. I've also added a video demonstration at the bottom to showcase how it will work. And if you have any queries, please reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. This is where I'll be able to help you, assist you with any of the issues that you might have. Thank you. Have a great day.